I think they just smelled the smock orange and they said, hey, we're going to come to this house. So, do you think she's in there right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is she in the mass?
I don't know exactly what she is. You ready for this? Want a handful?
No, thanks.
This is when I wear the heavy duty gloves.
Should I make some smoke?
You can start it, yeah. See?
I got some good shots, that's all.
It's a huge, huge swarm.